I am not ready for that new like camera on the iPhone 11. My sister got it yesterday. My sister got it yesterday, and my God, I was like, sis, your face looks too clear.
Apple electronics are asking. It was a pencil, and now my phone is being stupid.
The 10. Yeah, I know. Yeah. My sister literally was like, you don't need the iPhone 11, you just got your phone. And I was like, no, it's been 2 years. And she's like, yeah, you still just got it. I've had my phone for 6 years, and I've been on speakerphone for the past 2.
Yo, that was always coming through the phone sounding so like, it don't sound so clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because her iPhone sucked. But I know, but I was like, yeah, but can you start paying my bill now? Because we're like on the same plan.
Wait, so what is it? I'm gonna try it today.
It's a cold brew. Alright guys, so we just took our compounding final. It was fine, easy peasy in the bag. Now we have therapeutics and drug lit. We're gonna start studying for therapeutics, cardio today, and hopefully we get somewhere. I have to go to work later on, so Hayam and I are gonna try to do as much as we can. Say hi guys.
I'm Hayam.
Everyone knows who you are. Because Christopher's always in my vlog. But yeah, that's what we're doing. About drug lit, but it went fine, or as well as it was going to, so we're in the clear for that class. Now I just have one more exam, and of course it's my therapeutics cumulative exam, which sucks, but I actually feel better about that exam than I did drug lit, so go figure. 2 down, 1 more to go, 1 more day till I'm on a plane and head into the beautiful Sunshine State of Florida. I'm super excited. Like, y'all really don't know how bad I need to go home. And this car in front of me keeps braking, and I'm getting so pissed. I really hate the drivers of Utah because they don't know how to drive for shit. And they're always braking for no reason, and they never go above the speed limit. They go below the speed limit around here. So annoying. But anywho, I'm headed back home right now to grab my stuff because I'm going to go to my friend Alex's house to study, and I'm probably just going to end up sleeping there, so I'm just grabbing like some overnight toiletries and whatnot so that I can go take my exam tomorrow morning, and like, well, it's not tomorrow morning, it's like tomorrow at 1 p.m. So either way, I'm just going to be there for a while and probably not going to be back home until tomorrow at 6 p.m. really, because after my exam I have a meeting, so it's like double whammy. But it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. I am really just ready to be done. I need to do laundry because I'm like, I have to pack tomorrow, and like, I don't have laundry done. I started, but I still have like 1 more load to do, and I have to clean my room and all of this stuff. So there's just a lot that I have to do before I leave, and I literally have like 4 hours because I am gonna leave my house probably like at 10:30 for my midnight flight to Miami tomorrow night. So yeah, I also have a really crazy story to tell you guys about my flight, so stay tuned for that because you will die because I am incredibly stupid and almost didn't go home. So there's that, love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and stop like driving and vlogging and whatnot. Some truck just tried to kill me, so yeah, see you guys.
Do you want us to move? Do you want to make the table more aesthetically pleasing?
Don't even give a fuck. So Alex made his coffee and Sarah's pushing the coffee in. Thanks, guys. And we're attempting to study. Oh no.
God, you're so embarrassing.
But I almost just dropped my iPad, so that's great. Thanks for coffee, Alex.
Why are you vlogging?
Okay, guys, we're done. I look like trash, like literally the definition of garbage. I am right now. But we're done. I'm having a nice cold Stella Artois. If you're not 21, don't drink. And Christopher's on my couch calling his credit card company because he was frauded. What a great way to end the semester. We're already broke and bitches out here stealing our money. Come on now. But yeah, I'm about to pack and do laundry. Well, I'm doing laundry right now. I'm gonna pack, and then Christopher and I are going to a meeting in like an hour and a half. Which really is just for the birds right now because we just want to be at home and like drunk. So yeah, so much fun. Hey guys, so I am currently at the Charlotte airport in North Carolina. My ear is clogged again because pressure and elevation. So that's really great. Trying to unclog it right now, see what happens. And I literally can't even tell if I'm like talking loud or not, which like kind of sucks. So I have to like hold my ear down to like really gauge how high I'm talking. So if this part of the video is like really shitty, sorry about that. But yesterday was absolutely awful. I finished my exam, went home, did laundry, went back to school, and back home to finish like cleaning up, packing, all of this crap. It was absolute torture. I like literally slept 2.5 hours the night before, so I did not sleep until I was on this plane, and boy was it a turbulent ride. So I also didn't really get great sleep, but I guess sleep is better than no sleep. So honestly, this is where I'm going to end this vlog. This might be kind of a crappy vlog, but this is part 1 of this week. I will have part 2 up by Monday, so that is all together, because I'm going to start part 2 when I get to Miami. So I think that'll be more exciting for you guys, because right now I am not looking great. I'm so tired, and I just want to be home, and I'm hungry. I just like really don't want to eat anything here. I literally just want like some good ass Asian food. So yeah, it's been a rough week and it's been a rough day. Especially yesterday, I was like really sad that I like wasn't home because yesterday was like the actual graduation ceremony, and like I have family members literally from all over the world who came, and like everyone was having such a good time last night, and like they were up till like 2 o'clock in the morning just like talking shit, having fun, eating, drinking, and like, I'm ready to be home. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this part 1 of week 3 of Vlogmas. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter.